Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to split string at delimiter in Java. For example, we are given this string where we see there are several delimiters, like we have pipe. So the strings are separated by pipe, and then we have a delimiter comma, and then we have delimiter space. So similarly, you can have several delimiters like some colon, then dot, or something like that. So we are going to check how to split the string at different delimiters one by one. For example, if we want to split the string, then we use the method data.split. So the string that you have created, on that you can apply split method. You can see there are two versions, overloaded method of split. One accepts just one parameter and another accepts two parameter. So currently we are going to focus on this one, split string, which will take regular expression. So take this one, and now here we are going to provide the expression on which we need to break this string. For example, if we need to break this string at comma, then we can see that here is a comma. So if we apply comma as a delimiter in this method split, then what it will do is it will break this complete string into two parts. That is, one will be this part and the another one will be this part. So we will get two string. And what this split method returns? This split method returns string array. You can see it is returning string array. So what we need to take to store this, the output of the split method, we need to have one string array, and let's name it tokens because it will contain several tokens. It means based on the delimiter, it will break the string into certain parts and each part will be token. For example, this is one token and this will be one token. So now we have got the token, means after this line is executed, we will have these two part of string and each will be stored in this tokens variable. So now what we have to do is we have to print each token to see means what we are getting. So let's use for each loop. So we are taking for each string token in this variable tokens. So we will print each token. So now we are going to print each token. So let's print token. So what is happening is when we run for each loop, what it is doing is it will pick each string token from these tokens. So we have got two tokens. After we break it, it will give us two token, right? So it will print two token on the console. Let's execute this. See, we are getting two tokens. One is this one, which is before the comma, and then the another part is coming from after the comma, which is shown over here. So this is how we can break over comma. Now suppose we want to break over this white space. So in that case, we simply need to give white space as the delimiter, and now it will again work in the similar way. When data.split, that means this data.split is applied on this white space, so it will search for the white space which is present over here. So it will break the string in two parts like this and then this one. So now let's execute this and see whether we are getting the output as expected. Now see, it is not breaking on the comma, it is breaking on this white space. That is, after A we have this white space, so it is broken on that, and then we have another token which is getting printed over here. So we have two tokens that is shown over here. Now we have also split the string on white space. Now we need to split this on pipe. So this is something which you will find in the projects in which you are working. You may be required to break on any delimiter. So in that case, if you have a special characters, then if you just apply this one pipe, then it will not break on pipe. Let's check. It will not work. See, it is not working. So what you need to do is, because it is a special character, so you need to provide this double slash and then provide this character. So it will take the pipe as the delimiter. Now if you apply the run, then you will see it will break exactly on the pipe. So this is, if you have a special character, then apply double slash and then give this pipe. So for some of the special character, it does not exactly work by giving the pipe or that character. So in that case, just try to apply this double slash and it will work. See, it is broken on this A, and then we have AA, and then we have another pipe, so it breaks at AAA. So number of pipes that we have, it will break the string in that amount number of tokens. So we have one token is this one, another token is this one, another token is this one, another token is this complete part, and another token is this part. So that is what is getting printed on the screen after we have broken it on pipe. So this is how you can break any string at any delimiter by providing it in the split method. And at the same time, just remember one thing. In some of the interviews, they ask that what is the output given by this split method. Then remember, it is not just a string, it is a string array which is returned by this method. So hope you have learned something over here. And one more thing I would like to tell is, here we have provided this hard coded value, right? But this value is generally read from the property files or from database, and then we apply this split method and do the task as shown over here. So in the next video tutorial, we will also see how to read a property file, and then we will apply this part to understand that how we can take the data from the property file and then apply any kind of operation on that particular string. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.